Alright, Jeff Davis, diesel class 11, going over clutch adjustment on this Freightliner. What we're going to look for when we're doing this is come up to the inspection plate, and what we're actually looking for is in between the throwout bearing here, the throwout bearing right here, and the clutch brake. So we want to measure the distance in between there and make sure it's a ½ inch. We're also going to check, make sure the clutch brake is working properly, and then if need be to adjust it, we're going to use the adjusting screw right here. So first we're going to check the alignment of the throwout bearing and the clutch brake. It should be a ½ inch. It should slide up there nice and easy, right in between. And you should have no movement back and forth with the throwout bearing, which is nice and snug, just like a feeler gauge. Now the other end of this is 1/8 of an inch. Now that's going to be used in between your throwout bearing and your arms, which are kind of hard to see on the camera, but are right in here. And you can see where the gauge went, and that should have the same feeling, which that is also good. So the adjustment here is good, and the adjustment here is good. So now we're going to grab our feeler gauge, 0.1 of an inch. And since we got someone up in the cab, we're going to have to press the pedal all the way down. Once you get the feeler gauge up in there. So I have the feeler gauge up in there. He's going to depress it all the way to the ground. I cannot pull on that. I cannot pull on that feeler gauge. The feeler gauge will not come out, so the clutch brake is working properly. Now, I'm going to slowly have him let the clutch out, and as I'm pulling on the feeler gauge, once it pulls out, I'm gonna have him stop. So go ahead and start. Stop! So right there, now I'm gonna measure the distance of the pedal. So not the distance here, distance the pedal traveled from the floor to get the proper reading. So I traveled a ½ inch to 1 inch, which is within specs for that as well. Now, if I needed to actually adjust the clutch, I would come in to the adjusting nut here to adjust the clutch, and that would adjust the tightness of the pedal, so that way I have that little bit of free play there, which I should have when I start out. So when you do it, you have to press in at the same time on the bolt as I'm turning it. And I have to have 2 people to do this, so I have to have somebody up in the cab, because he's gonna have to depress the pedal. I'm gonna push in and turn. Now, counterclockwise is gonna bring that space wider. Clockwise is gonna bring that space tighter. So that was all off the initial measurement I got with this tool. So my ½ inch. Any questions about that? I didn't think so. All right, thank you for your time.